Hey guys, welcome back to our series on what's the one thing I need to know when purchasing flat towing products. And we're looking at individual flat towing products. So last week we looked at braking systems. This week we're gonna be talking about tire monitoring. What is the one thing to know when you're purchasing tire monitors that's critical above all other things? As I mentioned last week, these videos are gonna be a little shorter than maybe our usual ones. They're gonna be a little bit more to the point just because that's the point of these videos. We wanna just make sure that you know the one thing, the one takeaway that's the most important thing when it comes to these products. So just like we did last week though, I am gonna talk a little bit about why tire monitors are important in general. There's the obvious reason of a blowout. If you have a blowout, you wanna be immediately alerted. And then obviously, whenever we're talking about tires, if your tires are overinflated or underinflated, it actually really affects your fuel economy, both in the motorhome, it's true in a towed vehicle as well. If you're driving one of those around and you have underinflated or overinflated tires, again, it's gonna affect that. And so to save yourself some money as well, it's a good idea to just know where your tires are at all times, be able to fill those up as needed, and just be in a good spot all the time. So that's why tire pressure monitors are important. So what's the one thing to know when you're buying a tire pressure monitoring system? Well, when it comes to RVing, most tire pressure monitoring systems are actually not designed for RVing at all. They're designed for trucking. And so they're designed for big rig, 18-wheeler style trucks. Which is fine. There's nothing necessarily wrong with that, except for it's not tailor-made to what you need. It's not designed with your RV and towed vehicle in mind. It's designed for cross-country trucking. The biggest thing we would say when you're looking for a tire pressure monitoring system, get one that's designed for your RV and your towed vehicle. Get one that's geared, that's being updated, that's being kind of designed around that ecosystem, because you know you're gonna have features that you want, that you need. It's going to integrate with other things. So our Tire Patrol is going to be a great product in this area because, again, it is designed with an RVer in mind. We have different setups that you can purchase, the most common obviously being motorhome and towed vehicle. If you've got maybe a truck and you pull a fifth wheel, we also have that set up. But we design our system around this lifestyle. And so every choice that we make regarding Tire Patrol is geared with you as an RVer in mind. So that's a really important thing that a lot of people maybe don't think about that's really, really critical when it comes to tire pressure monitoring. The other great thing about Tire Patrol is it's going to integrate with our command center system. So if you have an RVI braking system, you can actually monitor your tires on the same screen. It's really, really cool, and it's a great, great feature that comes just as part of Tire Patrol. So that's the one thing, again, that we would encourage you to look out for tire pressure monitoring. Obviously, there's plenty of great systems on the market, but find one that is specifically geared for you as an RVer, and we would, again, encourage you to check out Tire Patrol in this area. So if you've got questions on this or anything else in any of our videos that you watch, don't hesitate to reach out. We're available by phone, chat, or email. In the meantime, guys, happy RVing. Hey guys, thanks for checking us out today. We've got tons of other great videos on products, stories, and tips and tricks. Before you go check any of those out though, we would really love it if you would like, comment, and subscribe here on this video. It sounds a little cliche, but it actually really does help us significantly here on the YouTube side of things to just continue to produce great content for you. So if you've got any questions on this video or any of the others that you do watch, don't hesitate to reach out. We love hearing from you. In the meantime, guys, happy RVing.